Hi, this is Shelley from Traveling Sisters Adventures here on YouTube and CompassRoseImages.com. We'd like today to introduce you to some of the birds of Africa. We like to categorize birds into birds, pretty birds, and raptors. And today, these are the pretty birds of Africa. The first one is the gray heron, and the one here now is the glossy starling. We hope you enjoy, and remember to subscribe so you can get our newest postings. Thank you. This beautiful black and red bird is the sunbird. I love the red flash. One of our favorite birds is the lilac-breasted roller. We see this one in eastern Africa quite frequently. This is the Egyptian goose, and weren't we lucky to get this one in flight? We see bee eaters in Africa quite frequently, but this one is particularly pretty, and it's the little bee eater. Love this bird with the little crowned head. It is the go-away bird, and that's what they sound like too. Go away! Here's another bird that we caught in flight, is the Goliath heron. He's a very large bird, but quite beautiful in flight. And this magnificent bird is the gray-crowned crane. It is the national bird of a couple of different countries, such as Uganda. And this beautiful bird is another starling. This is the superb starling. Isn't it gorgeous? The gray-headed kingfisher, another really beautiful bird, and I just love the beak, the red beak. Very distinctive. We don't see this bird very often. It's the cordon bleu. It's the color that's so spectacular, that turquoisey blue. This next bird is the European roller. They actually breed in Europe and migrate down to Africa. This is another kingfisher. You can tell by the red beak, but this one is the woodland kingfisher. Beautiful color. It's not often we get to see lovebirds. These are the Fisher lovebirds. Aren't they gorgeous? This little bird is the red and yellow barbet, and I love the speckles on the wings. This little yellow bird is the yellow weaver bird, and they build their nests on those reeds, and they wave in the breeze. We found the white-faced duck in Ethiopia a couple of years ago. Aren't they cute? And here's another European roller, and I believe this one is the female. One of the birds that we always love to see when we're in Africa is the malachite kingfisher. Isn't it spectacular? Here's another yellow weaver bird. This one is the southern masked weaver with the black face. Another bird we don't see very often is the red bishop. Love that color. One of our favorite bee eaters is the carmine bee eater. This one we found in the Okavango Delta this year. One of the big pretty birds is the saddle-billed stork. Love the coloring on the beak. Here we have another kingfisher. These are the pied kingfishers, just black and white, but he has a little fish in his mouth. We've come to the end of our presentation of the pretty birds of Africa. We hope you enjoyed. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Traveling Sisters Adventures, so you can receive our postings whenever they come up. Also, come to our website, CompassRoseImages.com, where we have well over 1,000 animals and birds for you to view. It's a great place to shop. Thanks so much, and see you next time.